Hello guys, hope you're doing great. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can implement server-side tracking on a website using Google Tag Manager and Stape.io. So in this video we will implement server-side tracking for GA4, and then we will also try to implement server-side tracking for Metapixel. So let's get started. So first of all, I hope you will have a website where you have a Google Tag Manager is already installed, and if you already have, so you will also need a Stape account. So once you sign up for Stape, so you will be redirected into your dashboard here. So in this dashboard you will have to first go to Google Tag Manager and then click on admin. So once you click on admin, you will have to create a server container. So to do that, you have to click the plus icon under the containers here, and then enter the name of the container, and then select the target platform as server, and then click create. So once this container is created, you will have these options to install the tag manager or connect with the Stape. So what you have to do is select the manual provision tagging server, and you need to copy this and then navigate to Stape, and inside Stape click on create SGTM container here, and you can type in the name of your website here, and then in the container configuration we will paste this one, the one which we copied from GTM server container, and then you will select the region. So for example, if your website traffic is or coming from USA, or your business is running in USA, in that case you can select a server that is near to your location, or a location where most of your visitors are coming from. So let's keep this one, and then we will create container. So once you click on create container, click on this free one, so later you can upgrade it. So I will, for the sake of this video, I will just continue with the free plan. So once I have this free plan, so as you can see, the tagging server URL, this is a third-party URL provided by Stape. So I have to first of all I have to replace this with my own URL. To do that, what I will do is add a custom domain. So let's say if my website URL is this. So what I will do is I will write tagging.danalytics.com, then select the manual option here, and then select next. So this will give you a CNAME record which we will need to update in our hosting. So I will go to the hosting, and in here in the DNS records I will select the CNAME record, and then the value would be, I will copy this one here, and from here I will copy this value and paste it in the target section here, and click on add record. Now the record is added, so I will click on verify. So this will take some time to verify the DNS record on my hosting or on my website. So as you can see, says the domain name is ready right away. So what I will do now is copy this domain name, because this is running on my own domain, so I will not rely on the third-party domains here. Go back to GTM, go to admin, and in the admin section here I am still in the Google Tag Manager server container. So in here I will go to the settings, and then in the container settings I will add this server container URL here, the one that I copied from Stape, and then I will save this. So now I will navigate back to the web container. So here in the web container I will go to tags, And as you can see here, I have Google Analytics 4 and then Facebook already installed in my web container. So what I will do now is I will have to send this data from web container to server container. So to do that, I will edit the Google configuration tag here, and in the configuration settings I will add a parameter here. So the server URL would be this one. So this will reroute the data from web container to the server container, and then I will send page view should be false, and then I will save this. So now this is saved. So I will look for GA4 since I have turned off page views. So what I will do is I will create a page view tag as well. I will remove this, and from here I will write page view, and the event name would be page view, and then I'm going to fire this on all pages, and then I will save this. So the purpose of creating a separate page view tag is because we are also implementing Facebook pixel on the website, so we need the page view event for Facebook as well. So once you do this, the next thing is, because we are also implementing Facebook pixel, so for that purpose we need the deduplication to work. To do that, what we will do is we will go to the templates, and from the variable template gallery we will import the unique event ID template created by Stape. So using the unique event ID, we can deduplicate events in Facebook pixel. So I will search for unique event ID here, and then I will add this to the workspace. Now the template is added. I will navigate to the variables here, and what I will do here is create a new variable and then select unique event ID, and then I will save this. Now the few other things that we need to do is, since we are setting up server-side tracking for Facebook pixel as well, so we need two more variables here. So the first variable that we will need is the FPP cookie. So these are the cookies that we need to pass as well. So these are the first party cookies, so I will name this as this one, and then this is the FBP cookie browser ID, and then I will create another cookie for the server click ID PC, Facebook click ID, which is very necessary for attribution of your conversions to the campaigns in Facebook. So in the tag section I will go to the tags here again, and then I will edit this. In here what I will do is I will pass both these cookie values as parameters, pp and then fpc. Now I will save this. So the next thing is I will check for the type of events I have. So for example, I'm tracking this page view event, so I will hit the event ID for the page view because I want to deduplicate page views in Facebook pixel, and I will check for what other. So for Facebook I have just page view, email, click and lead. So what I will do here is click on, first I will make sure to update the Facebook tags, and in the more settings here I will add unique event ID here, save this. Email clicks, this is a custom conversion, and in the more settings I will add the unique event ID for the duplication. And then for the lead event, I will also add the unique event ID variable here. Now I will save this, and then I will do the same thing for Google Analytics 4. Sending generate lead event, and this will be event ID and the unique event ID. And then for email clicks, I will also send the unique event ID. So we are now done with the setup of Google Analytics 4 and Facebook tags in web container. So the next thing is to go navigate to Google's tag manager server container. So what I will do here is I will copy the GA4 ID. This is the one I'm using now. So I'll navigate to the server container here, and in the server container, what I will do is I will, in the tags, I will create a new tag here. It will be Google Analytics, and then I will paste the ID here, and I will set up a trigger. The trigger in this case would be choose built-in variable. So this is the client name. So since we have the GA4 client, which is receiving data from the incoming data and parsing it. So this is GA4, and then I will save this, and then this will be Google Analytics 4. And you can see in the clients here we have only the GA4 client, which will claim the incoming requests. So the next one is Google Facebook Pixel. So to do that, I will go to the tag template gallery here, and from the tag template gallery I will select the Facebook Pixel tag template. So in here I will type here Facebook, and I will select the first one, the official template provided by Facebook. Now what we need here is we need the Facebook Pixel ID, API access token, and then on test event code. So to do that, you will have to navigate to your Facebook Business Manager, and in the Pixel section, Facebook Events Manager, you will copy the Pixel ID and then paste it in here. And then to get the API token access, you need to navigate to settings, and then you will have to scroll down and from in here you will have to click on generate access token, and this will generate access token for you. Click this to copy, and then you navigate to the access token here, paste it, and then test event code, because after implementing the server-side tracking we also need to test and verify it's working correctly. So to do that we need to go to test events in Events Manager, and then select this option, the first one, and then copy this, and you will paste it in here, and then click on extend meta pixel cookies to FPP FPC. So this is recommended. So now you will have to create a trigger for Facebook. Let's create a custom. So the client name will always be GA4, and then what you will do next is to create another variable here. This will be a event data variable, and in the key path I will type in event ID. condition. I will add here is event ID does not contain undefined, because I don't want to send any other events to Facebook except the one I have created in GTM. I will save this and I will rename this to Facebook conversion API tag. Now we are done with the Facebook and GA4. I will preview this container and then I will go to this web container as well, and I will preview the web container as well. Let's preview this one. So in here you will type the website URL and then click connect. And then we will wait for the GTM preview to work. So you can see here Facebook page view is fired, and then we will wait for data to receive in tag manager preview mode. So it's not showing up yet, so let's try to refresh, see if it works. So we have the right one here. And then something is not working, so let's see what's not working. Now as you can see in the preview mode in the web container, this page view is working, and then we will navigate to this Facebook Events Manager. As you can see here, so page view event is recording from browser and as well as from server, and we will wait for to see the deduplication. So the deduplication means that if the event ID from the server and the event ID from the browser matches, Facebook deduplicates one of the events. That means that it removes one of the unique event, with the unique event ID. So we have 3 events from server and then 3 events from browser. So if you look at this ID 7177, and then this is the same, so this will deduplicate this event. So once you see everything is working fine, you can see the data grooming in the GTM web container preview as well as in the server preview as well. So once everything is done, what you can do is you can publish your GTM containers. So this is all about setting up server-side tracking for Stape and then server-side tracking for Google Tag Manager, using Google Tag Manager for GA4 and Facebook Pixel. So in the next video, I will be sharing some more tips about how we can best utilize Stape to improve the tracking. So make sure to subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.